Love does not delight in evil but rejoices with the truth. 1 Corinthians chapter 13 verses 6. Hello beautiful family. Warmest welcome back again to the Lovey Touch channel. Thank you so very much family for coming back. I'm truly excited to share with you my favorite way to make fufu. If you want to really enjoy your fufu using the plantain flour and the fresh plantain, this is the recipe for you. No pounding, no sweat, but yet you're going to get the authentic taste of your fufu. Let's get started, family. Requires very simple ingredients. Here I have 1.5 cups of my plantain flour, and I'm going to use 2 fresh plantains, and all that I'll have to do is to peel off the plantain. Please, before peeling it off, make sure you give it a good wash because you never know what this plantain has been through. All right, so once I'm done peeling it off, all that I have to do here is to chop them into smaller pieces because we are going to give this a blend, and you do not want to overwhelm your blender. All right, so cut them into smaller pieces, into the pieces that you think your blender can take. All right. So once you're done chopping it, you go ahead and put it in your blender and add about 1 cup of water to it, and you're going to blend this till it's very smooth. Now our plantain is perfectly blended, and we're going to add it to the saucepan, and you're going to rinse the blender with a little tiny bit of water, and we're going to cook this and drive it for about until 10 minutes. Gets to that stretchy stage and it's well cooked. I'm doing this because we want to get rid of the extra, strong scent of the fresh plantains. I use the same recipe, but I did not do this part that I'm doing right now, and it's always left my fufu, to get this extra strong smell of the plantain, which was a little bit off for me. I did not really enjoy my fufu the way I wanted it to be, but with this one right here, you're going to really enjoy the authentic taste of fufu. All right, so you go ahead and do it for 10 minutes, and once it's done and reach the stretchy stage, you lower your heat and add a little bit of water to your plantain flour. I added about 2 cups of water to get this consistency that you see on your screen. It is advisable to have a thicker consistency than a runny consistency at this stage, because once it's thick, you can always go ahead and add a little bit more water to get the exact consistency or texture that you want your fufu to be. But the other way around, you might stand a chance of getting lumpy fufu. Okay, so add it all in here with your heat very low. Go ahead and slowly turn it until everything is well incorporated. Once everything is mixed together, you can go ahead and now increase the heat. All right, at this point, if you like your fufu to be a little bit on the softer side, go ahead and add a little bit of water. And all that you have to do here is to drive it until everything is well uniformed. Just look at this. So after 15 minutes of driving and making sure that there is absolutely no trace of lump anywhere, we are done with this fufu right now. Just look at the texture. It is absolutely incredibly smooth and silky. Not even talk about the color, family. Just look at this. So good. You need to try this. You will actually have it no other way done. It is absolutely the best way to make your fufu, home or abroad. Don't waste time pounding all these issues, Charlie. I know pounding is the authentic way, but sometimes you just want it fast but yet still get the authentic taste. And if you're looking for something like that, then let me tell you, this is the recipe for you, okay? You are going to really truly enjoy your fufu. And now it's time for us to shape our fufu, and you know the deal. You need your eating bowl and just shape it into your wonderful fufu shape that you want, okay? This was for my little girl, and she loves her fufu. Especially when I make it this way, she goes all out for it. And this is for the queens in the house. You know that you have to make sure that the balls are true and nicely shaped like this, just like the bottom of their wonderful wifeys. Looking succulent. There you have it, family. Succulent fufu is ready, and you can go ahead and serve it with any soup of choice. Here we have some tilapia light soup, which is going to be uploaded very soon. Was absolutely delicious. I promise you, if you make your fufu like this, you're not going to have it any other way. Absolutely delicious. So that brings us to the end of this recipe. Thank you so very much, family, for watching. I cannot thank you enough. And please, if you did enjoy the recipe, be sure to share with few friends and family as well. And do not forget to give me a like, comment down below as well, and let me know what you think. And if this is your first time here, hello, my name is Lovia from Lovey's Touch. My main goal here is to cheer you up into making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. So please be sure to subscribe to join the family for amazing new recipes every week. Thank you so very much, family, for watching once again, and just know that you are so beautiful just the way you are. See you in my next one.